Two heavyweight antivirus names. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Avira, flexible protection and device optimization. On the right, ESET, lightweight security with advanced real-time defense. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's the game plan. We're breaking it all down by malware protection, performance impact, extra features, pricing, because who doesn't care about that, right? And lab test reputation. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your vibe. Let's kick things off with malware protection. Avira and ESET both absolutely crushed it in the latest lab tests, like legit 100% detection rates. That's super reassuring. Avira's got all kinds of custom scanning modes if you're into tweaking settings, but it does lean heavily on cloud-based detection. So if you lose your connection, its vibe changes a bit. Now, on the ESET side, also 100% in malware detection, which is awesome, and it's a beast against zero-day and phishing attacks. Only thing, maybe a little less playful with customizable scans. But honestly, on pure protection, this one's a tie. Both are killing it here. Alright, so you know how everyone hates it when their security tools slow down their computer? Yeah. Performance impact. With Avira, you'll notice fast scans, and it's usually smooth for most things. But if you're launching a ton of websites or copying big files, it can drag just a teensy bit more than you'd expect. ESET, though, oh man, it's basically invisible in day-to-day use. Barely eats up resources. Some say it's the lightest among the big-name antiviruses right now. So, if you want security and don't want your laptop wheezing, ESET honestly takes the crown for performance. Extra features. Okay, this is where things get spicy. Avira throws everything at you. Device optimization tools, a built-in VPN, privacy alerts. It's like security and spring cleaning rolled into one. But you do miss out on stuff like a built-in firewall or parental controls. ESET is more business in the front. Crazy advanced system defense, like HIPS if you're into that jargon, and banking protection so you don't freak out shopping online. But compared to Avira, it feels a bit bare bones in the optimization and privacy extras. So if you're all about features galore, Avira's your pick here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know ESET started out in Slovakia back in '92? Total OG in the security game. And Avira's umbrella logo? That's all about protection for everyone. Honestly, kind of love when brands have that quirky backstory. Now, pricing and plans. Oh boy, this is where your wallet starts sweating. Avira's super competitive, always running some deal, and you get a 60-day money-back guarantee to test things out. Some of the fancy stuff is locked behind higher-tier plans, but the overall value, solid. ESET keeps things simple with the pricing tiers and gives you 30 days for refunds. But, and this is important, going all in for the full suite ends up pricier. So Avira sneaks ahead if you're looking for best bang for buck. Lab test reputation. Let's talk nerd stats. Avira's got a solid rep, scoring a whopping 96 out of 100 from major labs and certified by AV Test. However, real talk, it's tested a bit less often than ESET in some labs. Now, ESET, wow, 99 out of 100, plus it snagged the Advanced Plus Award from AV Comparatives in April 2025, certified by AV Test too. So if you're after brag-worthy scores and regular top marks, ESET is hard to beat here. So, quick visual check-in. Both Avira and ESET are heavyweights in malware protection, but you'll notice ESET pulling ahead in performance and lab reputation, while Avira's absolutely loaded with extra tools and deal-friendly pricing. Here's my honest take. If you want all the gadgets, privacy tools, optimization bits, the whole toolbox, Avira's got your back. But if you're all about keeping things snappy, and you want confidence those labs are giving the thumbs up month after month, ESET is the go-to. Personally, I lean towards ESET for its zero-fuss protection, but Avira's extras are pretty tempting, I won't lie.
Did you find this breakdown helpful?
Like save, or maybe even bookmark our tech picks. Because smarter security choices in 2025, yeah, that's what it's all about.